The Jamb 2010 Economics Past question 50 says the amount of labor hired depends on option A, number of skilled labor available, option B, marginal productivity of labor, option C, skill of labor, option D, price of other inputs. So when we look at labor as a factor of production, which has its reward as wages, defined as all forms of human efforts put into utilization, put into or utilized in production. It refers to man's mental and physical exertions generated in the process of production. So, the following are the two types of labor. We have skilled labor, which is white collar job, and we have unskilled labor, which is brown collar job. So, the following are some features of labor. One of the features is that labor has feelings. Labor is mobile. Labor is skillful. Labor is not fixed. Labor is perishable. Labor has initiative. Labor requires motivation. Labor is a human factor. Labor is not predictable. Labor controls other factors of production. So the following is the importance of labor. They include provision of personnel, provision of goods and services, operation of machines. It influences other factors of production actively. So based on this, the right option for this, the question says the amount of labor hired depends on the number of skilled available labor, marginal productivity of labor, skill of labor, price of other inputs. So the amount of labor hired depends on the A, number of skilled labor available, marginal productivity of labor, skill of labor. So it depends on the skill of labor. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.